Hi, this is my first video trying to talk in English. I want to practice my English and make my videos viewable by more people. So please have patience because I'm a noob. So obviously this video is an unboxing and this unboxing is from YesStyle. I was looking for a specific shadow palette and I had trouble finding it until I found YesStyle. So YesStyle have products from Korea and Japan and USA, and they have a wide range of products like they have makeup, clothes, skincare, and more. Also, they have a lot of vegan products, so that's very nice. Look, they have a lot of pretty and kawaii clothes, and also I love how they have special programs. For example, I joined this student program for have an extra discount. I just need my institutional email and that was all. So check YesStyle if you want to be pretty and kawaii. Back to the unboxing. The package came very well packaged. I had a little trouble opening, but I nailed it. I was very excited when I opened it because since the package is international shipping, it took more than 20 days to arrive. So I was looking forward to it very much. And look, all the products look so pink and pretty, so I was dancing with excitement. This is the first product, the Booby Bubble Lip Scrub. This one is for exfoliate your lips. The next product is an ink for eyeliner. It's the ink tinting brush liner from Peripera. More from peripera because I really want to try this brand. This one is a balm but an ink at the same time. The name is Mood Glowy and the color I choose is the 031. And next product is an eyelash curler from the brand Shiseido. This brand is very famous on social media for being the best eyelash curler, but I never had one like these instruments before, so I won't be able to compare. And I choose one that is less wide and comes with a spare. That's me showing my coco. Next one is this brush for eyes. This brand is vegan and the materials looks and feel so good. There is Artist Vegan for eye detail and Too Cool for school. Look the brush. It's very tiny but it's so soft, like very soft. Now, green roll for the star product. Ta-da-da-da! Look how beautiful this eyeshadow palette is. But it's not the only one. I have another one already. Yay! Well, the price was on sale and in other stores it was triple the price. So I ordered two and I'm so happy about it as you can tell. So, dear my bestie, let's open this one. These eyeshadow are from Peripera too. The name of the palette is All Take Mood Like. And look this preciosura. Every time I look this palette, make me think of Powerpuff Girls, cause the heart, and because it's pretty girly. So let's open it and look. Wow, it's pretty. By the way, this palette have highlighter and blush too. So let's dance and thanks for watching. Chan chan se acabó. Okay, bye.